Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And I'm Cryle Esselstyn Hart.
Hi. I hope everyone knows who Cryle is. She is my daughter, my oldest daughter.
My granddaughter.
I'm me.
Thank you. Thank you. And Cryle has such a cool, like, because we're near Halloween. It might be after Halloween or before Halloween we post this. We're not quite sure. But take it away.
Yeah, so I identify as a dessert girl. So I will dream about desserts. I dream about this dessert. Honestly, every day I make it probably once a week for my friends, for my family, for celebrations, gatherings, whatever it may be. And as
Events.
Yeah,
You do it for
events, demos, YouTube.
Well, now camp for Plant-Based Women Warriors. We had these there.
You guys did. You were
We're
one of
gonna
the
have
first.
them again. We're gonna have them again.
You were one of the first to try it. But so they're called Snickers. Well, not really Snickers, but plant-based Snickers. My version of plant-based Snickers. I just got inspired by watching some some reels, some Instagram reels, seeing videos online of different recipes. But the key to this plant-based Snickers or vegan Snickers, whatever you want to call it.
I'm going to follow along with you because I've never done it.
Is dates. So we have pitted.
We have just dates.
We have regular dates. They're not unpitted.
But the kind of date is the...
They're just fresh organic dates would be great.
Yeah,
Well, this is the medjool.
Medjool dates, yeah. So this is going to be the caramel of the Snickers. And you want to get the medjool date. And all you're going to do is first you're going to start with the base of a date for the Snickers. You're going to rip the date in half, or
You rip it and don't cut it.
you can cut
Better?
it.
Oh.
What?
But they rip
Open
They
it.
rip so easily.
Yeah, take out the pit. You do not want to eat that. That is not yummy. And so now you see you've kind of just like opened it up. It looks sort of flat, like,
It feels like caramel.
yeah, it feels like caramel. It totally feels like caramel. And this is just going to be the first layer of 4. So a flattened date, you can see, just opened it up, took out the pit. We're going to put that on the plate.
4?
There's 4 layers. It's going to be a layer of
4.
dates, a layer of peanut butter, a pretzel, and then chocolate. And then we're going to freeze it, take it out after 10 minutes, 2 days, however long you have it in there.
I'm still in the caramel phase, so we do.
And then you just eat it.
Okay, caramel.
So maybe you can hand them out for Halloween.
Oh, wouldn't these be amazing Halloween treats?
They definitely wouldn't last in your
Yeah.
trick-or-treat bag. But anyway, so we're just opening and flattening some
Pummeled
dates.
by
No,
Butterfinger.
but you would give them to the trick-or-treaters to eat immediately.
Yes. And we're just going to make a couple here.
That looks like we can probably still see what Wade can see through. So.
Sure. Yeah, that looks good. So first step of 4 is complete. Opening, pitting the dates. Opening and pitting the dates, and then just, I guess, flattening them, opening up. So we have...
They look kind of hairy.
Yeah, so...
Fiber.
Don't be
fiber.
don't be afraid.
Of the hair.
You can see this one's like got more caramely. This one's got a little bit more stringy fibers. Just eat it all. It's not going to hurt.
Okay. That's the spirit.
So you can discard or compost or plant the seeds. Next, the pits, not the seeds. Apologies.
No, I think aren't they called date pits?
Yeah.
Is that what they're called?
Yeah, I've never
We're gonna
gardened
go with
dates.
pits.
So next layer, we're going to take these flattened dates, and I'm going to spread a layer of peanut butter, not too thick, not too thin, however much you want. It depends on what kind of peanut butter person you are. I'm a peanut butter person, but I'd say that's good. Just a thin layer.
You know what kind of peanut butter person Cryle is? She's like every corner has to be touched. I'm like doom, put it down. But you're so efficient at getting every.
This is wet peanut butter too.
If you used powdered peanut butter?
No, but I'm saying this peanut butter
Oh.
is
some people
more runny than lots.
Oh, I mean, I've
Yeah.
used plenty of different kinds of peanut butters. I've also used dates that were not very caramely, and it totally, once you put them in the freezer, they just got even harder, and it was not fun. So definitely recommend a good date. Oh, no. Oh, well.
This one has both sides of peanut butter.
Yeah, so honestly, it's pretty simple, so sorry that you're not really hands-on here, Ann.
No, it's like what's it called? Real soothing. It's like
Watching.
Oh, I bet
Yeah.
I bet I know what goes next.
What's that?
All right, do you know
I
what
bet
goes
the pretzels go next.
The pretzels.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Do I just Would they just
Yep.
put it like that?
So
The amazing thing about these is the pretzel bite tastes so crumbly and I just love the texture.
Oh,
of
so
it.
you crack if it's not
so
wide enough.
I'm just crazy, and I like to cover every inch of
crazy.
it.
You're efficient.
Oh,
And like,
Kyle.
So
So you little.
yeah, I'll even crack the pretzels in half just to fill the gaps of like the other side of the dates. So sometimes it's a pretzel and a half, sometimes it's a full pretzel, sometimes half a pretzel, depending on the size of the date.
Nice.
But that looks perfect.
So we've got
Wait.
dates without pits. We've got peanut butter and we've got pretzels so far. 3 things.
And another key, if maybe you're gluten-free or you don't like pretzels or you can't find an oil-free pretzel or whatever it may be, I've also used toasted walnuts and, or was it pecans, or maybe even both. Just a toasted nut, maybe even a seed. Just some crunchy layer. It could be a graham cracker. It could be pumpkin seeds. I have no idea. Just a little crunch between the peanut butter and the chocolate.
And to that point, we were trying to find pretzels that were had no oil in them, and it was so difficult to find them because all of our old standbys that we used to know didn't have any added oil. Suddenly they do, and it's so frustrating. So we found this one kind that actually this is a gluten-free pretzel, I don't know what it's called, a glutino. that
Look,
had no oil
I'm
in-
putting some in the holes,
Yeah,
Kyle.
Now Anne's on to the efficiency.
yeah.
And
Thank
my
you, Ann.
mouth is literally watering. What's our next layer? There's 4 layers.
So, we like you said, we've done 3 of the 4. Last layer, after Anne's done perfecting it, is the chocolate layer. And I'm sure you've seen my mom use these in a bunch of her videos, but we really enjoy the Enjoy Life brand. It's a nice
Date sticking to it.
so good. What's it called? Just allergen-free, kind of
Dairy-free.
yeah, all free chocolate company.
Not free, gluten-free, dairy-free.
So I've
My husband
just
says flavor-free. They're not flavor-free.
they're
good.
delicious. So I've gone and melted some chocolate here.
Melted these.
Yep, melted some chips or chunks or whatever kind of chocolate you want. And I'm just going to plop it on top, and I'm going to spread it around a little bit. I've also like melted the chocolate way too much, and it's been soup, and it's been so runny, and it just falls all over the plate and all over the Snickers, and it's crazy. Right now it's kind of thick, so I'm kind of
But
spreading
when
it
you
around.
do that, I know it's over the edges, and I've seen you eat that.
Oh yeah, I will scrape up that chocolate. I gotta eat every square inch of this because it is so good. So I'm not sure if we're gonna if this chocolate's gonna spread across all 5 here. I'm kind of just doing a
Oh, totally.
silly fast job,
So
but
it looks beautiful.
perfect. I made just enough.
And Carl
So
has made enough of these for like at camp. I think he made like 60 or 80 or 100. We ate so many.
yeah, I literally have these in my freezer for every occasion. I have them as a snack. I've definitely eaten it for breakfast before, and I've also eaten it for dessert. I've also eaten it as a snack. I've eaten it just whenever
Okay,
I
so
want it.
now what do we do?
So
Freeze it.
so yeah, so you can see here. I'll just like hold one up for the camera. You can get a nice
1, 2, 3, 4. It's a beautiful
yeah,
one there.
a
Duncan.
nice little candy bar chunk,
Yeah.
and
Fun size.
fun size, exactly. We're gonna put this in the freezer. You can do it. I try and make myself wait at least like 10 minutes just to like have things get a little hard, like a candy bar. But I've also kept them in there. If I've had a bunch, they've lasted days. But honestly, they never really last too long because we eat them too fast. So,
But
I'm
wait,
gonna-
could you keep it in the freezer a week, a month?
oh yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
If it lasts that
We're gonna
long.
put this in the freezer, but I also have some in the freezer to pull out and show you guys now. So
Yay!
we'll do that swap.
Yay, yay, yay. So it's such easy equipment. Dates, peanut butter, pretzels, and chocolate. This, we love enjoying life chocolate. So here, let's put it back for Kyle's creation.
Excuse me. So here are some frozen ones.
Oh,
look.
those do look frozen. We put those in like, what, 20 minutes? How long ago? Do you think we put those in there?
I think, yeah, probably 30 minutes. But I cut some in half to show you guys the inside, so I'll make a little stack for you here. But
Oh, no way.
I think Wade's
Nice.
gonna this shot.
Oh,
Yeah.
look
So-
at that. Look on top shot. Yeah.
This
That is so
Just-
luscious.
delicious. It's all of my favorite foods, which is just chocolate and peanut butter, but and dates, I guess, and pretzels. But anyway, it's so
I
delicious.
just can't tell you what a difference those pretzels make.
Yeah, the crunch.
The
And
crunch.
honestly, gluten-free pretzels, what I found in just doing research with these and making them with nuts or seeds or toasted nuts or gluten-free pretzels or not gluten-free pretzels, is that the gluten-free pretzels are crunchier. I guess the glutinous pretzels get a little bit, like they kind of almost absorb a little bit of
A little
the
soggy? Not soggy, but softer?
moisture from the peanut butter. Or maybe it's the melted chocolate. I don't know. They just get a little softer. So gluten-free pretzels are the way to go if you're looking for a better crunch. But
Come on, Suze, come give it a try. Wade.
here, Wade will just get a
Yeah,
whole.
Wade, you go the whole. I got to have to talk.
I've eaten
Cheers!
Cheers.
Happy Halloween!
Yeah.
or fall or
fall,
just
harvest
any
time.
day. Happy dessert.
These are amazing, bro.
It's the best snack dessert you could ever
It
ask
tastes
for.
like Snickers.
The crunch.
It's
It
the
tastes like
combo.
it tastes like a candy bar.
You know what?
Okay.
I will not. I'm not gonna lie. I made this sample platter for this YouTube shoot a couple days ago just to save in the freezer. That whole tray was gone. I made it again to replace that tray for today's shoot, and it was all eaten. And this is my third platter of Snickers for this shoot, and we also have some in the freezer now. So now we have 4 to go through. Well, we're gonna do these all, and I hope you guys enjoy them because it's the perfect, fast, quick snack, dessert, whatever you want it to be. They last in your freezer, and they're delicious. So enjoy.
Yummy.
Oh, thank you. Bye.